Welcome to our competency-based questions for class 10th physics designed to enhance your conceptual learning. Question 16. You are given three identical 10 ohm resistors and a 12 volt cell. Draw the circuit diagram to show how the resistors can be connected with the 12 volt cell so that the total heat produced in the circuit is minimum. So we are having three resistors, and each of these resistors, they are of 10 ohm. Now we need to connect these resistors to a 12 volt battery in such a way that the power consumed is minimum, or in other words, the heat produced is minimum. So we know this thing, that heat produced through a circuit, it is given as I square RT, where I is the current in the circuit, R is the total resistance of the circuit, and T is the time for which the current is flowing in the circuit. Now we can see that this formula, it comes from the Joule's law of heating. And it clearly says this thing, that more be the current flowing through the circuit, then more be the heat produced in the circuit. So H will be equal to I square RT. The effect of current is square times, whereas the effect of resistance and time, it is linearly depending on the heat produced. So if we connect the resistors in parallel, although R will decrease, but decreasing R will increase I, and that will have a greater impact because the heat is depending on square of the current. So we have to make the circuit in such a way, so that the current drawn will be minimum, because the effect of current on heat is depending on the square of the current. So this is possible when resistors are connected in series. Why so? Because in series, the resistance is maximum. So once we make R to be max, then automatically this will imply that I will be minimum. So we have to connect the three resistors in such a way that they all are in series. So this is possible like this. This is 10 ohm, 10 ohm, and 10 ohm. And when they are connected in series, the current drawn from the circuit I will be minimum. And in that case, the heat produced will be minimum. So this is the circuit diagram of the three resistors given to us. And when we connect them in series, then the heat produced will be minimum. And this is the answer for this question. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep excelling.